Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Life with Brea. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button so that you can see new content every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today I'm going to be helping everyone with something that I think a lot of new YouTubers have a hard time doing, and I've found a way to do it that's a little bit easier, a little bit more straightforward, and that is making thumbnails that catch the audience's attention so that they will click on your videos and watch them. The biggest and one of the most important things that you can do as a new YouTuber is have something that the audience will see as aesthetically pleasing and will make them want to watch your video. So if you have some little raggedy thumbnails, you gotta step it up a notch. Now I didn't realize that until I started. So now I make pretty good ones, I think, and I am only on this is my fifth video, I think. So today we're going to be using a couple of different programs. I like to use Lightroom by Adobe. You can get it on your phone and on your laptop. I have it on both. And then Canva, which is a free app that you could download from the App Store. And then also Phonto, which is how I put all my fonts on my thumbnails. So I'm going to go ahead and screen record, and we're going to go ahead and get started.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Lightroom on your phone, choose a picture. So you can see that I have a lot of pictures that I've already done. So you're going to choose a picture. Let's just choose the one that I used for one of my last videos. Let me find it. Once you find it, you're going to click on it. And then there's different tools that you can use. So first, let's go ahead and crop it. We're going to crop it as much as you would like. Just for an example, I'll just crop it a little bit. Then there's other things we can also do, like we can change the lighting, so we can change the exposure. And then we could also change the contrast or the highlights, make it a little bit darker. There's also shadows and whites and blacks, and then you can also change the color, the temperature, the temp, the vibrance. Also the effects such as texture, clarity, vignettes, all sorts of fun things on here. And then what my favorite thing to do is just use presets. So I have downloaded presets from Etsy, but one of my favorites is called Warm Summer and it's by my friend Adrienne, who I will link below. It's actually a free preset. It's one I use on all my pictures. Then you're just going to kind of click the arrow. Then it's successfully saved. So then you're going to want to go into it, and you're going to want to export it to your camera roll. So then you're going to want to open Canva. This is a free app that you can download from the App Store, and you can use tons of different templates to create anything you want. I use it for my Instagram posts also. So it's got logos, flyers, posters, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, all types of things. So we're going to go ahead and go all the way over until we find YouTube thumbnail. Click on it, and it'll already give you the size that you need to have for YouTube thumbnails. Then you're going to go to camera roll. You're going to click on the picture that you want to have, and it's already will fit itself to scale on your picture. Then you can also edit it if you want a little bit, but I just prepared it, which means it's saving it to my camera roll. So it's already in what it needs to be in. Then you're going to go to Phonto. This is a really great app that you can use to add any type of writing you want. So we're going to go to photos. We're going to click on the photo we want. You can change the filter on here too, but I don't usually. Then you're going to click on the photo and add text. So I'm just going to type out what it kind of was about last time, which is just books I'm loving during quarantine. Then I'm going to go ahead and align it center so that it's more centered on the page. Then I'm going to go ahead and go into style. I'm going to change the color. There's tons of different colors. I usually like a light gray, and the stroke I make it black and turn it up to 7 so that you can see it on my light walls. Then I made it bigger, and then curve is one I love because you can make it curve any way you want. So then you're pretty much done with your design, and then you just go to your save and share page, and then you just save image so that it'll save to your camera roll. So then it's saved successfully, and so now I'm just gonna go and check on my camera and make sure that it's there. And it's there. And then it's really easy just to upload onto YouTube.
So just let me know in the comments below, and I will make another video with more complex, visually pleasing ones. But this is a good starter video just so that you can get a quick understanding of how to make thumbnails that are aesthetically pleasing, that have a good filter on them, that have good quote to picture ratios, so that you can get people watching your videos, because that is what I'm struggling with, and it's getting a little bit better now, but it's definitely something that is a struggle. So we have to be aware of how we present ourselves to the public. They're not going to click on your videos if they don't have a very good picture on the front. That's just fact. And everyone knows that. I do that myself. If it doesn't have an aesthetically pleasing picture, I'm probably not going to click on it. And if it has a really nice one with lots of layers on it and fonts and prints and filters, I'm more likely to click on it. So this is just a way to start building up how we present ourselves to the public. So if you would like more, go ahead and leave a comment like I said, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see new content every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And go ahead and follow me on all my social medias, which are also linked down below, and send me a message. I would love to be friends. Alright, see you all next time.